and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Don't be a stranger, join the family. We keep you entertained, informed here on the channel. My OGs, you're welcome. Thank you to everyone who has clicked on today's video. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, I'm taking this my job hunt really seriously, and I honestly hope that I'm not boring you guys at this point, because I seem to mention it with every single vlog. But I'm currently editing the video you're watching now. But before I go into the explanation of what today's video is about, let us get a quick word from today's sponsor. Hi lovelies, and welcome to the segment of the video. This segment has proudly been sponsored by Rosewe, and they have sent me a couple of dresses to try out in the video today. So before we get into all of that, just to tell you a little more about the brand itself. Rosewe is a fast-growing fashion brand, and I'm sure you guys must have been seeing it pop up in hand, and they deal with clothing, shoes, bags, accessories, as well as body wears, just in case you're curious. And yes, they have sponsored this segment of the video. So you guys, I'll be going ahead to try out each and every one of this item. You'll also be able to find links to their website in the description box, as well as my unique code for you guys to be able to benefit from amazing discounts when you check out. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the first item that they have sent me. So the first item we'll be trying out is this dress. This is a sleeveless dress. I love the details on this. This is such an amazing cut and pattern. This is unique as well. So I got this in a size large, and I will be putting this on for you to see. Alright, so full disclosure, I have a shapewear on just to help with the fitting of the dress, and this is what it is looking like. Obviously, this is a little out of my comfort zone because this is a lot shorter than I will put on. I thought this would be a lot longer than what it is. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love the feel of it. I love the neckline. I love the sleeveless part of it as well. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So I'll say that for this first outfit, I love the fact that these pleats in front that is covered with this baby very light pink or peach fabric covers like the double layers of the tummy. So for my sisters who are like me, who have folds and all of that, this dress maxes that up for you, and I just love it. It is such a great style. The only takeaway is just that leg part. And this is the second outfit. I love the baby blue color. I love so many things about this dress, and I'm going to be highlighting them one by one. I love the silk pieces. I love this folded sleeve. It's such a unique design that is so, it makes the outfit just pop. I love the detailing on the top half of the dress. It's so simple yet so elegant. I love how it fits. It is so comfortable as well. The material is breathable, but it is thick. I'm just showing you what the back looks like. It has about 2.5 inch slit at the back there. And yes, that is it for this second outfit. You guys tell me what your favorite outfit is in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback. This is the second outfit, and I absolutely love it. I love the feel of it. I love the texture, love the, you know, the front part of it. It is so unique. It's one of the things that endears me to it. This next one is another favorite of mine. I love the play of patterns on the top half of the dress. I love that the sleeves can be converted into something shorter, and it just gives it a different look. I love the versatility of the top part of the dress, and the buttons in front here do not button down, but there is a zip at the back. I love how it has been cut to fit the body. It's not too tight to the point where you see your curves. It is giving Proverbs 33 woman. The slit is not too high as well. It's about 2.5 inches at the back. There's also a zip at the top half of the back as well. I love the fact that I can wear this in winter and layer up underneath, so I have enough warmth for the weather. So that's one of the things I really love about this one. I also love the color. It's one of the things I realized with this haul is that I love color blue. and that's one of the things that I have had to realize. Yeah, so I really like this one. This is a personal favorite of mine. The sleeves are definitely a huge seller for me on the outfit. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The neckline is also very nice. I love it. This is yet another one of my favorites. I would say a favorite of mine is every one of them, but this one is really nice. I love the fact that it is long sleeve. I love the fact that it looks like a two-piece, but it is a one-piece, and this extra piece at the back here just gives it the illusion of having a top, and that just, you know, covers the bum at the back. This belt can be detached, so you can swap it out for another one just to play around with your colors. The neckline looks revealing, but it is not. I love the fact that, you know, it is something that I can also rock during winter and layer up underneath. The texture is very similar to the first baby blue outfit that I tried on, which is the second one from the front, and I love this one. This one is giving class, it's giving pastor's wife, it's giving virtuous woman, it's giving heavenly race in the bag. This one is another, well, I would say this would probably be my least favorite, but there are some things that I love about it. I love the fact that I can play around with colors. I love the puffy shoulders, the illusion of a puffy shoulders, really, because there is no puff at all. It just looks that way with this fishnet. The neckline is also nice. I like that they have held it together with like a transparent tape, and this is what it looks like. Probably not something I will rock during winter, except I don't mind, you know, putting on a sweatshirt underneath this, which I believe would take away from the beauty. But if I can find something black to wear, that would be golden. Now this is my absolute favorite of all the outfits I've been wearing. This one is the one that takes the cake. I love the fact that it is a two-piece. I love the color. I love the play of gold, and, you know, just the thread work on this outfit. It's really nice. I love the fact that I can wear them separately or choose to pair them together. Also during winter, I can layer up and just use this as a play cloth or play coat and just wear this on top of everything else. So it is really nice. Tell me which one is your favorite, you guys. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Alright, you guys, that is everything that I got from Rosewe. This one will probably be my most favorite one because it is super versatile. Thank you so much again to Rosewe for sponsoring this segment of the video. You guys know what to do. Click on the link in my description box, and you can also get discounts when you use my discount code as displayed on the screen, and I'll also leave it in the description box. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's get on with the rest of today's video. Alright, you guys, you're welcome back. The time right now is 1:30 a.m. and the boys and my husband are in bed, but I'm still awake. I'm currently trying to rush up and finish this video so that I can upload it. And you guys, I'm still applying for jobs. I'm still keeping hope alive, because I know that, you know, there's always testimonies at the end. So you guys, I'm very hopeful that something will turn up very soon. And I would say that one of the reasons for the delay, I think, would be because I'm trying to change careers. Probably because I do not have UK experience for the job that I'm applying for. But anyway, you guys, I'm very hopeful that something is going to turn up very soon. And yes, I just wanted to put this out there because, you know, it's not just about wanting something. You have to be intentional about it. That is why I have intentionally chosen these outfits, because this is the kind of outlook that I'm looking for. And I'm very hopeful that in not too long from now, I will get the response that I require. And I would come back here to share my testimony with you guys. So that's all I'm going to say for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this has encouraged someone as well to go after what you are passionate about, to go about, you know, the change that you want to see, and not just thinking it or wishing it. Make steps, take steps. take a step of faith and do something as bold and do something daring to see the results that you want to see. All right, so thank you guys for watching today's video and just listening to my nighttime rants. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your encouragement. I see all the comments and I'm truly grateful for the kind of audience that God has given me on this channel. Thank you guys. I'm truly grateful to the lot of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.